Friends of the Rouge. We are a nonprofit organization that started back in 1986. We had a group of concerned citizens come together because the rouge was so bad that people in Dearborn couldn't even open their windows in the summertime. After working to restore and clean up the Rouge River, people are looking at the river much differently today. We have positive trends in terms of water quality and fish population returning. Today, even Rouge Rescue has evolved to be more of a river celebration and restoration event. People come out and create rain gardens, planting native buffers, just to enhance our parks and our nature preserves along the river. These places provide our residents with places to go to connect with nature. And we need nature for ourselves, for our health and well-being, as well as our psyche. You can be part of the solution by being a part of that restoration, connect people to that natural resource, and have them understand, just the important role that it plays